everyone, Annette here from Ask Me Decor. Welcome back, and if you're new here, thanks for joining me. So today is a big day. We're going to start decorating for Christmas, and I'm going to start right here in my kitchen. Now, if you watched the last video where I was doing all my Christmas planning, you know that the kitchen is getting a gingerbread theme. I'm going to start with these giant jars. I have them all lined up here. I'm going to put some snow in them and my gingerbread houses, and I'm going to place them around the kitchen with some other gingerbread ornaments. I am so excited to get started. Let's get going on this. I have this great big bag of snow. It comes in handy every year for Christmas. I can't even tell you how long I have it, but this year it'll be on the bottom of all of these big jars. After I get the snow leveled out on the bottom of the jars, I'm going to place a gingerbread house in each jar. I have a couple different sizes and I have to just make sure they fit in each jar. There's a Santa that matches too. Then I'm going to put some bottle brush trees in each jar, and you'll see what I do with a set of lights later on that matches these trees perfectly. The jars are going to get placed on the top of my kitchen cabinets. Later on in the video, you'll see what I did with some red berries to accent the jars. The red berries are also going to go on the Christmas tree and a little in the window in a little stocking. Here I'm going to place some of my cutting boards. And in front of the cutting boards, I'm going to put the largest jar with a gingerbread house in. It is going to get some twinkle lights in a little while. You'll see that later on in the video. I really need to get all this snow off of the island so I can do that next. Now I'm going to use a wreath that I got after Christmas last year in TJ Maxx. I only paid $15 for it, and boy, it is a nice looking wreath. I'm going to place a large round platter in the middle of the island. I'm going to put the wreath on it, and then I'm going to place the largest gingerbread house in the middle of the wreath. Later on, I decided sitting too low, and I did put a riser underneath that house. Now, I'm putting my curtains up. You've seen me do this before. I use Velcro on the patio door, and then I can change these curtains for every season. For Christmas this year, it's going to be red and black plaid. Check out these glass jars. Every single one of them came from a thrift store. They're perfect. And I'm going to fill them with some of my fake candy canes. These are made out of resin, and I got these at a country store long ago. I use them almost every year in some way or another. I love them. One Santa mug goes in the flower container, and the other one will sit alongside of it on the counter. Cutting boards and rolling pin ornaments will decorate this skinny tree, along with a lot of my gingerbread cookies. There's the string of lights I was talking about. They have the exact same tiny little bottle brush trees inside of them as I used in all of the big jars. And red berries and eucalyptus leaves will fill in this tree nicely. The table will get a small gingerbread house. I want it to be removable for when we eat. And then I'm going to hang a wreath with more gingerbread cookies on the cellar door. A red and white striped ribbon will help pull in the colors from the other side of the room. And this pass-through area is one of my favorite places to decorate. I can really express my theme over here, and I use it with my great big baker Santa. He has a basket filled with gingerbread cookies and a really awesome gingerbread rolling pin. And then I hang a white towel and a red striped towel to pull in more of that color scheme. And you guessed it, more of those gingerbread cookies are going to hang with the towels and above the towels. Pantry door is going to get Santa's key, and inside I'm going to place my penguin cookie jar that I got at an estate sale. Red and white boxes will go alongside of him. I'm going to use some napkins that match the curtains I hung, and again I'm going to use some gingerbread cookie ornaments. I'm going to hang more cookie ornaments inside these little wreaths that I hung above the stove. And now we're going to make it smell good with some gingerbread candle melts so we can sit back and enjoy the finished look.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. The snow is laying 2 feet deep. Now wish upon a falling star, so all your secret dreams can come true. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah. There's room at the table for big and for small. All the fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah. Merry Christmas, baby. There's something that happens when something that happens when December ends, when December ends, yeah. Oh, it's Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. It's Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Christmas night. Why don't we make your Christmas my Christmas, our Christmas? Why don't we make your Christmas my Christmas, our Christmas? Don't you think that the holiday...
So that's going to cover the Christmas kitchen. Next up is going to be the powder room and the laundry room. Wait till you see what I did in there. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now would be a great time to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, just ask me. And I can't wait to see you in the next video.
I bought a tree, we can dress together. Oh, I put a turkey to roast, stuffed with nutmeg